What's up guys? Let's start again with our new tutorial on how to reset your Samsung Galaxy A11. Okay, let's start. So you see this power button and also your volume high and low. So press that power button and volume high at the same time. Okay, let's start. Press all together. Right, you can see that. Then wait until. Alright, press, wait. Alright, release. And that's it. And then remember your volume high and volume low. You can use that to select going up or going down. So right here you can select, or please select that wipe data factory reset, right? And then use your power button. Okay, there we go. And then right here choose factory data reset. Now here wait, and of course right here choose reboot system now. Okay, it's now saying here reboot system now. Okay, press OK or use that power button, click it, and then that's it guys. Your phone Samsung Galaxy A11 now is reset. So thank you very much. Then that time you can start signing up. You can use Google, YouTube, etc. Thank you very much guys, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Click the notification bell for you to be updated of our next tutorial videos. Thank you.